up, it's Matt. I'm doing a Black Eye Colorado bike check. Well, I'm just going to start off that it has, with the grips. It has purple ODI long necks with a 2-piece chromely bars with ODI bar ends. I got a chromely stem with a Black Eye 20.5 top frame, a Black Eye, a chromely fork with Odyssey tires and rims, purple rims on both sides. Then I have a shadow and something like that with a purple sprocket that it's called a shadow and like culture or something like that. Odyssey pedals, pivotal seat with a built-in seat post or seat clamp, whatever you call it, and a mechanic cranks, chromely. And that's it. These are my retarded friends on swings, and these are my BMXers with. He has a center, and he has an Eastern. Check out dancecomp.com and recruiters.com. Peace.